Mrs. N. Swarnalata, whose dedication and passion have been guiding the institution towards success. A warm welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Mr. N. Ramakrishna, whose vision and constant support have played an important role in the growth of the school. Before we move forward with today's program, let us begin this beautiful celebration by paying respect. Let me invite Tejasvi, Dhruti, Varshita, Tanvi Shukla onto the dais for Vande Mataram song.
patience. And now, the moment everybody has been waiting for. Our tiny stars have been practicing for days, eagerly waiting for this moment to shine on stage. Parents, teachers, and guests, get your cameras ready and your applause louder, because the stage is now going to sparkle with the energy, talent and confidence of our wonderful little performers. Are you all ready to cheer for our little stars? I can't hear you. Are you all ready? I can't hear from the audience. Are you all ready? Let's make it louder for amazing kids. Tonight we have a wonderful lineup of performances, including group dance, solo performance, duet dance, and even a fun GK segment by our talented students. So let the celebration begin. To begin the cultural program, let us welcome our adorable little stars for a wonderful group dance performance. Please encourage them with a big round of applause. Audience, I don't see any encouragement from your side. I need a big round of applause. Welcome dance by PP1 girls. Neha Sri, Ishwika Paul, Sanvika, Danvika, Kanchvi and Tanishka.
Welcome to honorable guest. We say welcome to honorable one. We say welcome to honorable guest. We say welcome to honorable one. Hooray, hooray, what a happy, happy day. Hooray, hooray, what a jolly, jolly day. Hooray, 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 what a happy, happy day. Hooray, 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 what a jolly, jolly day. You came with lots of love for us, with joy, pleasure and happiness. You came with lots of love for us, with joy, pleasure and happiness. You have come, you have come. We say welcome to honorable guest. We say welcome to honorable one. We say welcome to honorable guest. We say welcome to honorable one. Hooray, hooray, what a happy, happy day. Hooray, hooray, what a jolly, jolly day. Hooray, 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 what a happy, happy day. Hooray, 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 what a jolly, jolly day. What a jolly, jolly day. What a jolly, jolly day.
What a wonderful performance. Our little stars truly brought so much energy onto the stage.
Next, we have a lovely solo performance by one of our students. It's a classical dance from Srinika of class 1.
Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garuda Dvaja Mangalam Pundari Kakshah Mangalam कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव जलजनयन विधिनमुचिहरण मुख विबुध विनुत पद पद्मा जलजनयन विधिनमुचिहरण मुख विबुध विनुत पद पद्मा विबुध विनुत पद पद्मा मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारी भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारी जनन मरण भयहारी मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव शङ्खचक्रधर दुष्टदैत्यहर सर्वलोकशरणा शङ्खचक्रधर दुष्टदैत्यहर सर्वलोकशरणा सर्वलोकशरणा मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव अगणित गुणगण अशरण शरणद विदलित सुररिपुजाला अगणित गुणगण अशरण शरणद विदलित सुररिपुजाला विदलित सुररिपुजाला मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थम् भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थम् पाहि भारती तीर्थम् मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव
patients. Please give another round of applause.
Prepared to be dazzled by dance performance of nursery children. For Chinuku Chinuku song, Manvik, Advaishri, Jayansh, Purvanika, Punarvika, Vedansh, Janushri, Priyansh, Advika, Rutvik, Prahasini.
Sit down. The video is provided.
బ్యాగ్ ఉన్నాడు సార్.
గుండెలతో చిటపట చిరు సంబడితో తీరి మబ్బు పురుల ముడిని జార విడిచి ఒంటో విడిచి మాటలాడ ఆడింది వరదొచ్చే సరసాల సింధులో నడే సరిగంగ దారాలు సరసానికి పొరసానికి ముడి పెడుతుంటే
Performance. What do you say, parents? Do you want it once more? Get ready for the sensational performance by nursery students Arush, Abhiram, Vikramaditya, Nihan Raj and Anil Rudra.
मैं निकला ओ गड्डी लेके ओ
छोड़ आया, एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठ दिल छोड़ आया। रब जाने कब गुजरा अमृतसर, ओ कब जाने लाहौर आया, मैं उठ दिल छोड़ आया, एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठ दिल छोड़ आया। उस मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली, हो उस मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली, जट अमला पागल हो गया उसकी जुल्फों की छाँव में, मैं बिस्तर डाल के सो गया, हो जब जागा मैं भागा, वो सब सिग्नल मैं तोड़ आया, मैं उठ दिल छोड़ आया, हो एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठ दिल छोड़ आया। बस एक नजर उसको देखा, बस एक नजर उसको देखा, दिल में उसकी तस्वीर लगी, क्या नाम था उसका रब जाने, मुझको रांझे की हीर लगी। ओ मैंने देखा एक सपना संग उसके नाम अपना, मैं जोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया, एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठ दिल छोड़ आया।
What a top-notch performance by our nursery students. Let's give them a big round of applause. We have something interesting and education. Our young students are ready to showcase their knowledge and confidence through GK performance. Let's welcome them and encourage them as they come onto the stage. Give them a big round of applause. Performance by Rutvik, States and Capitals.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ludwig. My soul name is Baswan Pesur. I am studying in nursery, guys. My telling about Sesang Apatas and a Parasamavati. And a Cheparasitanagal. Assam is full. Bia Vatana, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Paranjai, Kulalar, Gandhinagar, Ayana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Trivandrum, Telangana, Hyderabad, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Israel, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Thank you.
Now, our school is very famous for GK, but our nursery student, he has identified the states and capitals, at least 20. Our school is very famous for from LKG to whatever the class, first or second or third, but nursery student, he has identified the states and capitals. It's a very big task for us and their parents. And I'm very appreciated the Ritvik, and I want to ask some states, and he is going to identify in the map. Ritvik, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, Jaipur,
Where is Rajasthan? Rajasthan. Telangana. Andhra Pradesh. Orissa. West Bengal, Assam, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka. Very appreciated one. Only 3 years child is identifying the exact places. Very good, Ritvik.
thank you.
That was amazing. Our students showed great confidence and knowledge.